What do you do if your mortgage has changed hands and gone to another mortgage company? That's the question I'm going to answer in this week's Tip of the Week. I'm RJ Baxter with Fairway Independent Mortgage. So the reason why I wanted to answer this question is because there's a couple critical things that you need to know when your mortgage changes hands. Now, there's two times typically that your mortgage might change hands. The first one is right away when you get that new loan. Most mortgage companies like Fairway, they're going to sell your loan to, or transfer your loan is a better term for it, transfer your loan to a mortgage servicer that's going to be the company that collects your mortgage payment. Now, if that happens, everything transfers over there automatically. There's nothing to worry about. And if you're a Fairway client, you can go to a website called fairwaynext.com, like next steps, and check out who your servicer is. You just have to plug in a little bit of basic information. You don't have to know anything specific. And it'll pull up all the information about your servicer, who they are, what their website is, what your loan number is, the payment due date, all these good things, their phone number, so you can reach out and get that information that you need to make that payment. If you're further down the road, or if you're not a Fairway client, let's say you've been with the same mortgage company for quite a while, and all of a sudden you get a letter in the mail that your mortgage company has changed, this is normal, this happens. This is part of the mortgage industry. It's actually less common for a mortgage to stay with the same bank for the long term, for the entire term of the loan, than it is for the mortgage to change hands several times during the course of the time that you have it. So if your mortgage changes hands and you're well into your mortgage term, the first thing you need to know is you have got to contact your homeowner's insurance company to let them know about that change. And the reason why, there's two reasons why. First of all, for billing, the insurance company has to know where to send the bill so that your insurance is paid if you're escrowing for insurance, which is most people. If you don't tell them, the mortgage company is not going to contact them. They're not going to know, so they're going to send the bill to the wrong mortgage company, and that could lead to your premium not getting paid or not getting paid on time. So that's very important. The second thing is, if there's a claim on your property, an insurance claim, the mortgagee has to be correct. The mortgagee is your mortgage lender that holds the loan. That's the fancy term we use in the mortgage industry. It has to be correct because most mortgage insurance companies, most homeowners insurance companies, they're going to make the check out to both you and the mortgage company, and the mortgage company has to endorse it in order to release the funds to be used for the repairs. So very, very important couple of things there. The second thing that's important when the loan transfers is to make sure that you're sending your payment to the right place. And there are provisions during a transfer period where during the month of that transfer that you're not going to be charged late fees, and lenders understand that sometimes there's some confusion there, but you have to watch it really closely and hold them accountable. So if you send the check to the previous loan company, if you do it by check, and it gets crossed in the mail and you get that letter that your next payment's due to another bank, it's important to make sure that check gets transferred or cancel it and issue a new check, just to make sure that it gets there on time, and to watch closely to make sure they don't try to charge you a late fee. So I hope that helps you out if your mortgage changes hands. And if you have any other questions mortgage related, just give me a call. I'd love to talk about this stuff and to answer your questions. Once again, my name is RJ Baxter, Fairway Independent Mortgage. Have a great day.